Rejection is inevitable in life. In love, work, social life, we all have to face this word, no. But how do we see rejection, frustration, insult, or as a challenge to develop yourself? Today's Stoic philosophy teaches us that rejection is nothing to fear, but can be a powerful source of our growth. This discussion will simply illustrate the power of rejection, acceptance, and utilization from a Stoic perspective. So watch the video carefully without skipping, and share the video to give everyone the opportunity to hear these valuable words. So I am starting the video. 1. Stoic philosophy and rejection. What is the concept of rejection in the view of philosophers, Marcus Aurelius, Epictetus, and other Stoic thinkers? Dealing with rejection properly by understanding the difference between what we can control and what we cannot. Controlling negative emotions. Analysis and control of emotions, like anger, frustration, and jealousy. Although this may seem overwhelming at first, rejection can be seen as a blessing rather than a failure, as Stoicism teaches us that external validation does not allow us to define our worth. 2. See rejection as an opportunity for growth. Accept rejection as a learning experience rather than a mistake. Rejection is not a threat, but an opportunity for growth and self-education. As Stoicism teaches us that our interpretation of rejection determines our emotional response, it is very important to improve yourself using the lessons learned from rejection. Rejection can strengthen our character and resilience, just as it did for historical figures like Thomas Edison, who faced over 1,000 failures before succeeding. 3. Increase endurance and mental strength, retaining confidence and patience in the face of rejection. Stoicism teaches us to accept life, recognizing that we can control our reactions to both adversity and joy, and choose how to face life regardless of external circumstances. Realization of self-worth. Success or failure does not determine self-worth. 4. Historical examples and case studies. Famous people in history who capitalized on rejection and built themselves. Helen Keller, Nelson Mandela, J.K. Rowling. Rejection is not an obstacle, but a challenge that, when faced with the tools of Stoicism, can be transformed into a source of strength and wisdom, allowing us to find a deeper purpose in life. Common people's experiences and perspectives on dealing with rejection, examples from fiction, drama, film. 5. Don't see rejection as a personal attack. Techniques to reduce the stress of rejection. Rejection is not always a personal attack. Many times, rejection is caused by factors beyond our control. Therefore, rather than seeing rejection as a personal attack, it is most important to accept it as a common occurrence. 6. Accept rejection as a challenge. By accepting rejection as a challenge, we can learn from it and improve ourselves. We learn about our skills and abilities from rejection. It greatly helps us to be more resilient and mentally strong. Rejection can be a sign that there is another path, learning to do better by aligning better with your purpose and goals. 7. Learning from rejection. In order to learn from rejection, it is important that we self-examine. By analyzing why we were rejected, we need to think about what steps we can take to avoid it in the future, to thrive in the face of rejection, turning it from a fearsome monster into a friendly master, which makes us much more interested in teaching. 8. Patience in the face of rejection is important. Patience is very important in dealing with rejection. Rejection is a normal occurrence, so it can happen frequently. So instead of getting discouraged in the face of rejection, one should try patiently. Patience is a real great strength of man. Rejection is an opportunity for growth and self-discovery, resilience, and strengthening character. And this Stoic principle allows for re-evaluation and self-improvement through acceptance. 9. Sense of self-worth. Rejection does not diminish our worth. Each of us is unique and valuable. Therefore, we must strengthen our values from rejection. Rejection can be the catalyst for success, as Thomas Edison and J.K. Rowling and Stoic wisdom make us more willing to face rejection, learn from it, and grow as individuals. 10. Strengthen yourself. Rejection is a normal occurrence, but rejection need not be seen as a negative experience. By taking rejection as an opportunity for growth, we can make ourselves stronger and more capable. Rejection is the beginning of a new adventure, and by understanding control, we can respond to rejection and learn from it by practicing emotional indifference. If you like our video, then give this video a like. Motivate us to make more new videos, and must subscribe to our channel to watch Natu Beef too.